Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Hello viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channels. The biggest difference trust make in any relationship and not just an intimate one. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Flower. The purpose of business is to create mutually benefit relationship between itself and those that it serves. When it does that well, it will be around tomorrow. We need people in our lives with whom we can be as open as possible to have a real conversation with the people. May seem like each simple. The purpose of business is the create manually benefit relationship between itself and those that it serves. When it does that well, it will be around tomorrow to do it some more. When you are whole, you are offer a whole lot more to any relationship that you from, and you're much more likely to encourage the right kind of people into your life because you wouldn't accept less. Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each others exceed your need for each others. To seek feedback about a difficult relationship, find someone you can trust to ask. People live in each other's shelter. Whether we go to work daily, develop our own business, or enter into or develop relationship with others, there are times when it is either necessary or just a good strategy to do more than is required or go to extra mile to make differences. Even in the midst of conflict, confusion, and faith at its heart is about trust. It's one thing to believe in God, it's quite something else to trust Him with our lives. We all want deeper relationship but on trust. We all need to seek rules, models, and develop relationship with them. Friendship is the key relationship, not an extra that we make the time for when the others primary relationship in our life are addressed. Of course, in the sports and in many aspects of our civilians' life, we cannot do everything ourselves. Oh, sport teach us the value and the inter-working relationship of teamwork. Whether it is friend, jealousy will case the relationship to the folder. Our lack of attention means we don't notice or we miss much that is going on, and this affect our relationship. Trust is involved in all the basic element of healthy relationship, namely love, respect, and consideration for an other person, communication, and honesty. A true soulmate relationship is like an quietly beautiful flowers that only grow in well cared for and protected place. This flower has wonderfully delicate scent that will enchant anyone who come near. If you learn to have those difficult conversations in